In this question, the principal explains to us the difference between the contractual liability and the tortious liability. Now, contractual liability is imposed on an entity by the terms of the contract, whereas tort liability is a legal obligation of one party to the victim as a result of a civil wrong or injury. So this is basically the difference between the contractual liability and the tortious liability, which has been given in the principle. Okay, let's move on. Now, what are the facts in the given set of questions? The facts are: Rashmi purchased a bottle of wine from a retailer. As she consumed more than half of the contents, she found decomposed remains of a snail in the bottle. After seeing the remains of the snail, she fell sick, thinking that she had consumed the remains of the snail. She sued the manufacturer of the wine for negligence. The manufacturers took the defense that they owed no duty towards her, as there was no contract between them. Right. In this question, the correct answer is C. That is, Rashmi can sue the manufacturer as he had a duty to take care of the contents of the bottle so as to avoid any harm to the final consumer. Right. So basically, even regardless of the fact that there was no contract between Rashmi and the manufacturers of the wine, right, regardless of the fact that there was no contract between Rashmi and the manufacturer still owes a duty towards the final consumer, right? And therefore, this liability of the manufacturer towards Rashmi can be said to be a tortious liability, right? Whereas, in case the principle clearly provides that, whereas tortious liability is a legal obligation of one party to a victim as a result of civil injury or wrong, right? So over here, there was a liability of the manufacturer towards the Rashmi to take care with regard to the contents of the bottle, wine bottle, right? Making C the correct answer.